Hello to you as a member of the DCMS. My name's Dike Drummond. I'm a family doc and the CEO of thehappymd.com. And if you've read any of the last editions of the Dallas Medical Journal, you may have seen one of my articles about how to recognize and prevent burnout. Well, I want you to know I'm going to be a speaker in the DCMS Connect virtual speaker series on May 20th. May 20th at 6:30. I'm going to present the Burnout Proof live workshop, where I'll show you how to recognize and prevent your own burnout, lower your stress levels, create more life balance and a more ideal practice. And this particular event is specifically for you to invite your partner, your spouse, your significant other, because it's just as important that they know these skills: recognize, prevent burnout, lower stress, create a more ideal practice and a more ideal life around your choice to be a doctor. Come to the website, dallas-cms.org, and get registered. Tell your friends. It's going to be a great event. I think you're going to learn a lot. And I'll see you on May 20th at 6:30. Burnout Proof Live Workshop.